Rikweri.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my son.
Today is Okpudo Ikeji annual lecture.
Yeah.
A lot of people do not know much about Ikeji or the principles. Please, can you tell us what Ikeji, Ehugba, and Edda is all about?
Ikeji, simply speaking, is celebrating yam, which is the king of crops, and the main food stuff over here. That is celebration recognizing New Yam Day is New Year Day in Afikpo. It doubles as New Year. Today is the 1st of January for Agwo. That's what New Year's festival depicts over here. So we are celebrating, remembering it.
Now, the Ikeji lecture is in its 5th year. If you are asked to recommend or suggest areas it can be improved, what exactly will you tell the organizers?
What I am telling to or reminding the elders is that they should not only keeping this thing for today. There are generations yet unborn who don't know what we know now. If it is made in such a way that is available to people from year to year, these pieces of information, it will be very, very good. Keep it on. This is only the 5th year, but it's already gaining ground. We want it to be greater than this.
Afikpo people call you Rikweri. People outside Afikpo do not really know the meaning of Rikweri. Please, can you tell your audience, people outside the State, people outside Nigeria, people all over the world, can we know whom Rikweri is?
Rikweri, as a name, depicts the last age-grade system in Ehugbo, which is for people not less than 90 years of age. It's the 7th and the final one. When somebody gets to Rikweri here in Afikpo, it means he's at a mark time stage until thy kingdom come. And it must be somebody who is not less than 91 years of age. That's what it is, and the black depicts that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We thank God.
Again, tell the audience who you are.
Anigo is my name. Baptismal name is Gabriel. So I'm Gabriel Anigo. That's my full name.
So I want to lecture.
Thank you, Mom.